Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is January 20th, 2025, and we're tackling the USDCAD pair. Recent news suggests uncertainty surrounding potential trade tariffs and economic growth projections, influencing market sentiment. Let's see how these factors translate to the charts. Examining the daily chart, we observe a notable price range between 1.30 and 1.45 over the last few months. The recent price action shows consolidation around 1.35, possibly indicating indecision before a potential breakout. Notice how several significant price swings coincide with news events, highlighting the market's responsiveness to external factors. The volume data further supports these trends, with higher volumes during periods of increased volatility. Now, let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to pinpoint short-term trends and potential reversals. The hourly chart reveals short-term fluctuations within the broader daily range. Look for support and resistance levels on the 1-hour chart that may present trading opportunities. There have been instances of temporary reversals that presented good short-term opportunities. The relative strength index and moving averages will prove useful in spotting potential short-term trades. Price consolidation might occur near 1.36 and 1.37. Finally, let's analyze the 15-minute chart for very short-term scalping opportunities. Analyzing shorter time frames helps to gauge the intensity of buying or selling pressure in the immediate term. Support and resistance levels can be identified on this time frame as well. The 15-minute chart is particularly useful for active traders who constantly look for minute-by-minute price fluctuations. The volatility can be quite high on this chart, and identifying price patterns can be vital. To recap, the one-day chart shows a range between 1.30 and 1.45. The 1-hour chart highlights short-term fluctuations around these levels, with possible consolidations near 1.36 and 1.37. The 15-minute chart demonstrates the minute-by-minute volatility. Based on the current data, short-term price movement is unpredictable, but long-term trends could favor a rise above 1.40 based on previous trends. But news and economic factors would need to shift to reinforce the likelihood of this upward movement. A drop to 1.30 is equally plausible. Watch for any signs of a sudden increase in volume or price breaks above 1.37 and below 1.34 to increase the accuracy of short-term predictions.